Morning, Chris from Beresford's Accountants again. For many business now, the reality is dawning that they aren't eligible for any grants or government assistance. For example, if you don't pay business rates, you're not going to be eligible for any grant, or if you don't hire staff, you're not eligible for the 80% reclaim of their salaries. So the only real assistance that you can perhaps get is the Coronavirus Business Interruption Loan Scheme, or CBILS as it's shortened to. What is that? Well, it's a government-backed loan from up to 40 lenders are involved in the scheme, and they will guarantee it up to 80%. Note here, though, which is quite important, I had a very good chat with a guy called Will from CBILS, who helped many of our clients with their lending. Excuse me. It's up to 80%, but the lender will still come to you first for as much as they can get before then going to the government. So you aren't limited, your liability isn't limited to 20%, which is quite a misconception by many people. So, for example, if you borrowed 100,000 and you fail to pay, but you have assets totaling 60,000, they will take that 60,000 first and only go to the government for the remainder. That is the way it's working. Banks will still steer you towards conventional loans if you have affordability, etc. So it isn't a given that you're going to get the government-backed scheme. Generally, they're steering more of the clients who don't have security towards the government-backed scheme for obvious reasons. In terms of timing, it can take between 4 and 12 weeks to actually get the money, which for many businesses is just going to be too long. There are lenders out there that will do a kind of bridging facility. So iWalker being one will do a bridging facility, so you can borrow the money short term until the civil intervention comes in. They will obviously charge you the interest, but I've been assured that there are no early repayment terms on those. The guidance I've got from Will was always to go to your own bank first. They're the ones who know you best, they know your business best, and the chances are you will get you're likely to get assistance from them first. There are lenders who are doing it outside of their own book, but generally the high street banks aren't taking on new clients. So if you bank with Barclays and Barclays say no to a loan for yourself, you can't then go to NatWest, because the chances are NatWest, who you don't bank with, aren't taking on any new clients at this particular time. As I said, there are lenders who are doing it off of their own book, Aldermore being one, and I'm sure there are a few others. They're still hard to get, and they are subject to the same kind of conditions as if you were going for a conventional loan. So you will still have to provide evidence of affordability, evidence of cash flow, etc., etc. So I'm loath to say it's all doom and gloom, but from what I've spoken to from the guys at CBILS, it's not looking quite as straightforward as perhaps we hoped it would. But I'd love to hear your experiences. If we've got anyone who sees this video that is applying or has applied and has been successful, that would be fantastic. Share your successes below, and be lovely to hear how you went about it. And anyway, that's all from me. I'm hoping to release another video later around how the government are going to assist the self-employed. So keep a lookout for that, and I'll see you all soon.